Today we will discuss valid anagram problem, first unique character problem, and length of the last word, and detect capital, and reverse word in a string, and check if two strings are rotations, and count frequency of characters. Okay, today we will discuss in this sum of problems, and tomorrow we will discuss some more. Okay, let's start with, wait a second. Yeah, let's start with this problem, length of the last word. This problem is also available in LeetCode 58 problem. Okay, after seeing this video you can solve this problem. Yeah, let's start. Means we want to check the length of the last word. What is the length of last word? I love yours. Yours is the last word. We want that length. Okay, yeah, let's start. First we have taken an element int length variable int length equal to 0, and next int I equal to h dot length of -1. Okay, length of -1. Okay, the length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, the length is 12. Int, okay, here it is 12. Okay, 12 minus 1 11. Yeah. Next, while I greater than or equal to 0, yeah, I greater than or equal to 0, and then s dot caret of I equal to no space. Means space means we want to minus minus. If there is no space in that index position, we don't do minus minus. Okay, check this position. In 11th position is, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11th position is s, so it contains of no space, so this while loop will not execute. And check another while loop, while I greater than or equal to 0, yeah, I is 11, 11 greater than 0, and then s dot caret of I. S dot caret of I means s dot caret of 11. In 11th index position, what it is? S. S not equal to the empty space, so true. So it will do length plus plus, means length initially 0, length plus plus means length equal to now 1. Okay, I minus minus, I now 10, I equal to 10. Okay, next step, length I greater than or equal to 0, the condition is true, 10 greater than 0, and in 10th index what it is? R. R not equal to empty space, so it will do length plus plus, so the length is, new length is 2. I is minus minus, I equal to 9. The next position, U, yeah, so length plus plus, length equal to 3, I equal to 8. Okay, next O. O means not equal to space, yeah, so length equal to 4, and I equal to 9 7, I minus minus. Next, 7th position, 11 9 8 7 6. Okay, next 7th position. Okay, h dot caret of 5, so the length is 5. Okay, okay, this position y. Okay, the length is 5. Now, sorry, 11 10 8 7. Okay, 6. Next, sorry, yeah, like that we will check the condition. We will add all element, we'll plus plus, we'll do plus plus. Okay, once we'll run the code and we'll check the output. Here you can see the output is 5, the last length of last word. Why we are taking this loop means, this condition we did not visit this loop. In which cases this will work means, if here it is, okay, if in this condition we don't want this while loop, but it will run properly only. See, check the condition 5, it run properly. But why this is, but why this for loop means, if we have another test case like I love yours space, here is the space also counts, 2 spaces means the length is 3. Once print the length, you can see, you can understand. I. Once check the length is 13. Okay, yeah. So if in this case, if we don't have this while loop, the answer is 0. Okay, this while loop, what this while loop will do means, it will eliminate if the in 13th index position there is a space, so do I minus minus, so it will go to 12th space, and in 12th space there is an empty space, so do minus minus, so it will go to 11th space and check for 11th position. 11th space is not an empty, so it will go to this while loop and then it will check this condition. Okay, that's why we are using this while loop. Okay, that's it. And next we will discuss some easy problems we will discuss today, and some hard problems we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, today we will discuss these two more, and yeah, this we will discuss tomorrow, and this also frequency counting all problems we will discuss tomorrow. Yeah, this problem also we will discuss. Okay, yeah, yeah, let's start with, yeah, this problem is available in LeetCode. The number is 58. Okay, let's start with this problem. Detect loop, detect capital means this problem is available in LeetCode 520. Okay, the number is 520. Here the condition means the string would be, I will tell you the test cases. The string must contain all capital letters, all capital, or the string contain at least, the string contain one capital letter, but that capital should be in first only. First letter is capital. First letter should be capital. First letter should be capital. And next test case is the string contain, if these both are not means the string contain all lower letter. Okay, all in lower case. Okay, so let's start the code. We taken the code string s equal to Google. In this, G is capital, means the first letter is capital, so the condition will satisfy. The output would be true. Okay, let's start the tracing. So first we taken int count equal to 0, and we have taken an enhanced for loop. We already discussed what this s dot to char array means. We seen this in last video, like in our first video in strings, the string basics, string methods, all. Okay, this s dot to char array converts string to array means the how it looks means the new. Okay, it will look like, okay, wait a second, G comma O O G L E. Okay, yeah, this is the string s equal, it means s dot to char array will convert string to like this in this format. So one character will go to this and it will check the character is uppercase or not. Okay, if the character is in uppercase, it will do count plus plus. Okay, first condition, character dot is uppercase of C. First G is capital, so do count plus plus, count equal to 1 now. And next O is not capital, so don't, no count plus plus. Next also O is not capital. Okay, next G also not capital, L also not capital, and E also not capital. This method will check if the character is in uppercase or not. Okay, if it is in uppercase, it will return boolean true, so if condition will execute and do count plus plus. Okay, here our count value is 1. Okay, yeah, if count equal to 0, no, the count equal to 1. If count equal to s dot length, no, so check the last condition. If count equal to 1, yeah, true. And character dot is uppercase, here also we are checking the character is in uppercase or not. Character dot is uppercase, s dot caret of O means in first index only the character should be in uppercase, so the condition will satisfy. Yeah, the first s dot caret of O means G is in uppercase. Yeah, it is in uppercase. Yeah, so it will return true once check the condition. Yeah, here it is. If we take another element, means this test case will not, means all not capital letters, one capital letter, but here two capital letters, all in lowercase. No, nothing is satisfied, so it will print false. Okay, yeah, here you can see false. Why? Means the count would be 2 now, like here also it is in uppercase now. Okay, count equal to, count equal to 0. No, 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 so nothing will pass, so it will return false to this. Okay, we'll check another test case like dc ut, like, okay, check for this, true, all capital letters. Okay, next take like okay, once we'll check for this, yeah, all capital letters, and next check for all small letters. Yeah, the condition is true. Okay, you can solve this problem in LeetCode. The LeetCode problem number is 520. Okay, next we will move to the this problem. Okay, it looks like some tricky, but it was easy. There are two problems we will discuss today, and yeah, we will discuss these two. Okay, we will start with this. Okay, reverse words in string 3. We already discussed the reverse code in our last video. We will discuss today. We want to reverse all, means we will see the output and we will get an idea. Yeah, here you can see we reversed each word in the string, means first let's reverse and code reversal, like that we want to reverse all elements in a string. Okay, so what we are doing means we already discussed the split code. This s will take, means spaces, and this plus will take, if we have more than one space it will count, like that. It is a regular expression. Okay, s dot split, what it will do means in spaces it will make as array, like it will store in words, like in words array it will store like let's, comma, means like this, and code. Okay, it will store like this. Okay, in this string. Yeah, next we'll take a string builder, because we have a default method called as reverse in string builder, so we'll directly reverse the code, reverse the word. Okay, we take a string builder here, and we are taking another temporary string builder to reverse it, and to append the, means to add to the string builder we will take in this one, and to reverse the string we take in this. Means how it look like, means the word will store here, means in temporary variable. The first word is let's. Okay, sp dot append will add in a temp dot reverse, means temp is this reverse, means we have a default method reverse, so it will reverse like s dot let's, and it's also append space. Okay, so that's why we get one empty space. And next it will store code, and code will be reverse. It will store in temporary variable, temp dot reverse means code will reverse to edoc. Okay, okay, that's it. We will give append, means extra space, so like this. Here sp dot toString means we are converting the code to toString. S dot let's. Okay, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, okay, here the output would be stel. Okay, yeah, same like this. Okay, why we are taking the dot trim method means we have extra space here, no, it will trim that, and we will get like this output. Okay, once we will run the code you can see the output. Yeah, this is a problem in LeetCode. LeetCode number, problem number is 557, and we'll discuss one more problem. Okay, Yeah, we will discuss. Today we will discussed already. Okay, 1, 2, 3 problems. Okay, we will stop with this one. Yeah. Check two strings are rotations. Means if the another string contain means ABCD, we reversed the string in this form. It contains the same length and same elements like after reversing should be also. Okay, we'll do it using substring methods. Like we already code the substring, we already generated substrings in last video, so using that method only we'll discuss. Okay, using substrings means first we'll check the condition. If s dot length t dot length not same means we'll return. Okay, return false. Okay, yeah, if not that case we will do a equal means we will add in comp s plus s means it will add like abcd and abcd. In this we will get all reverse code means here cdab. If we reverse like b also bcda, we'll get all the reverse code here. Okay, dabc like that. Okay, yeah, that's why. Okay, that's why we are combined that string and we are passing to that s and t is this string. Okay, int a equal to s dot length and b equal to t dot length. We will start from I equal to 0 and I less than a minus b, because what why a minus b means 8 minus 4. We want to check up to 4 only, because after this we will don't get the reverse element. Up to here only we will get. Okay, if we go to here, how can we get extra element? We'll check j less than t dot length. Yeah, j is 0, it was less than t dot length. Here we are generating the substrings means I plus j. I is 0 and j is 0. I plus j means we'll get a substring. A equal to cdab. False. No. Next substring I equal to 0 and j equal to 1. 1 means b. No, not equal. Next substring I equal to a, j equal to 2. 2 means c. Like that we will generate 2 and next we will generate for b, a and next bb, bc like that. Okay, like that we are generating all the tests. So, and we are doing j plus plus. If j equal to b, we will return I means index position. I equal from starting which index it was starting. Okay, once we'll run the code and we can check the output. Yeah, true. Okay, that's it.